the role that I play in at least some of my clients' lives that goes beyond the courtroom, is that they know that I'm there on their shoulder. When they think about their case, they know that Brent's there, and they take that home with them and helps them get through this difficult period, just to at least have someone truly believing in them and truly working for them. The key to being able to defend against the state's vast resources is to use the one big sword you have, and that is that the state's burden, it is the state's burden to prove the case. They have to bring the evidence. Not only do they have to bring the evidence, they have to bring it beyond a reasonable doubt. So even sometimes when it looks bad and you think there's no possible way I can win this case, if you can find that one single factor that really strikes a chord with the jury, you can oftentimes win a case that many people thought was unwinnable. One thing that a lawyer really needs to have, and a client really wants to look for in a criminal defense lawyer, is empathy. And the ability of that lawyer to identify, connect with, and care about his client. I fully believe that a criminal defense lawyer can go into trial and do all the right things. He can make all the right objections. He can make all the right arguments. But if he doesn't have empathy, and if he doesn't connect with his client, a jury's going to sense that. And they're going to think, if his own lawyer doesn't believe or connect with this guy, why should we find him not guilty? There's nothing like sitting in that attorney chair with your client beside you as the jury's walking in, your heart's pounding in your chest, and you hear that first word, not. It's that moment when you can really help someone that keeps you going from day to day, week to week, month to month, and year to year.